What are you sniffing? Let him go in the big field. Hmm? Should we let him go in the big field?
Whoa.
Squirrel!
So anyway, I'm here walking the dog. He's just hidden behind there. Look what I find though, whilst recording. It's an actual Fudsy mask. Actually, it's a cheaper version than mine. Mine actually has the nice fancy eyes. It's got fucking, if you see, like little tiny ladybirds. Fudsy is one with nature, apparently. So we take the dog around here, and honestly, I wasn't expecting to find a decapitated Fudsy head attached. The reason for this actual video is I'm not going to be uploading during December. The bear is going into hibernation, you might say. I will be fully uploading again in January, and with new different videos. Until then, though, I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the dead side, ladies and gentlemen.